Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nour from English Planet with Nour. Today we're gonna learn a new topic about science, which is farm animals. Try to imagine what are the farm animals that we're gonna learn today. First of all, what's this? Do you know what's the name of this animal, of this farm animal? Yeah, it's a pig. Pig. It's a pig. And what's the sound of a pig? Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Very good. What's the color of the pig? It's pink. What's this? It's a cow. And what's the sound of the cow? Moo moo. What's the sound of a cow? Wow, perfect. And what are the colors of a cow? White and black. What are things can we get from the cow? We can get milk and and meat. We can get milk and meat from the cow. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Okay, and sheep starts with the sound sh, 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 sheep. Excellent. And what's the color of the sheep? White. And what's the sound of a sheep? Ba 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 ba. Very good. And also we can get some meat from the sheep like the cow. And we have a rooster. A rooster has the sound cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Very good. That's the sound of that rooster. Okay, and we have a horse. A horse. What's the sound of the horse? Neigh, 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 neigh. This is the sound of the horse, and horse starts with the sound h, which makes the letter H. What are the colors of the horse? Maybe brown, maybe white, maybe black. A duck. What are the colors of the duck? Black and white. And what's the sound of the duck? Quack, quack, quack. Okay, let's move to the next step, which is singing the song of Old MacDonald. Together? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some cows, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some horses, E-I-E-I-O. And a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a near, everywhere a neigh. After singing the song of Old MacDonald, we have an activity. I'm gonna show you all these cards together. I'm gonna hide only one from you, and you have to tell me what's the missing flashcard. Are you ready? We have a pig, a cow, a sheep, a duck, and a rooster. And I'm gonna take away only one card, and you're gonna tell me what's the missing flashcard or what's the missing animal. Okay, are you ready? What's the missing farm animal? Yes, you're perfect. It's a cow. And what's the sound of a cow? Moo moo. What's the missing? Yeah, it's very good. It's a rooster. And what's the sound of the rooster? The cock-a-doodle-doo. You're perfect. Right, close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Open your eyes now. What's the missing flashcard? Yes, it's a horse. And what's the sound of a horse? Neigh, neigh. What's the missing here? No, it's not a hen. It's a sheep. What's the sound of the sheep? Ba 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 here and a ba ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba ba. If you have enjoyed our episode today, don't forget to share this video for all of your friends and all the parents around you to learn these things together. Okay, but wait, subscribe the channel, but don't forget to turn on the little notification bell to reach the newest videos together. Bye.